listen for later statements and possible warnings. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lewis County in central New York until 3:15 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over High Market, or 10 miles northwest of Boonville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Turin, Greig, Martinsburg, Lyons Falls, Mohawk Hill, Whetstone Gulf State Park, Constantinople, Lionsdale, High Market, and Concaccio. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service